Hello everybody, welcome to 3S Tarot, and today we are going to see what is going to happen for you and what is going right now in your life with what you should be doing right now, what you should be doing in the situation related to the situation. So this is a really general message and it is a timeless reading, so whenever you see it, whenever you need it, you will see this reading, and I really wish it will help you, okay, and it will guide you definitely. Thank you so much again for watching this video. Let's just continue our reading. Okay, so this is a collective reading, so of course it is for special people who really need to hear this at the moment. Okay, let's see. We are going to look into your current energy first. So we are quickly going to look into your current energy. We have the unseen in reverse. Okay, the unseen in reverse. We have Kairos. Okay, that is like again in reverse but not in reverse. Okay, I think no, it's upright. Okay, sorry, my fault. Then we have the shaman. Wow, hello tarot readers, astrologers. Hello, how are you? I believe you are intuitively really strong, and this was not a coincidence that you really popped up here. You are watching this reading. You are guided here. We have the card shaman here in your reading. Then we have Gnosis. No, it's not Gnosis. Okay, I don't know how to pronounce it, but you can say it. Okay, Gnosis. Okay, or I mean Gnosis. Gnosis. Yeah, let's say Gnosis. Okay. Oh wow, beautiful card for your energy. And then we have the Temple. Hi, of course, definitely astrologers, tarot reader, Reiki healers, all of you are here. And let me tell you, the weather today is amazing. It's chaotic. Okay, we had a really sunny day. I'm shooting in the mid of May, at the end of May, so it's like half of the summers have gone and we are welcoming monsoon. We are waiting for monsoon right now. So yes, this could be you. Okay, although you are having your sunny days, although you are going through a really fantastic life for others, okay, maybe others view as the perfect person, the good reader, the best reader, but nobody actually knows what is going inside your heart, inside yourself. You know, maybe there's a storm going through your head, through your mind, through your heart. So yes, you are here to see. Okay, so this is your current energy. I see you are highly spiritual. Okay, even if you do not believe in astrology, it is working for you. The universe is working out for you. Okay, and then in your energy, specifically in your energy, I see this guidance from your ancestors, guidance from a spirit. To be specific, a spirit is guiding you. Maybe you feel it sometimes, like you just ask a question and suddenly the answer is in front of your face, the answer is in your text, the answer is in one of my readings, tarot readings, and kind of guidance just there for you if you ask a question. Wow. Then we had the unseen. Dear, you see what is not seen by others. This is a specific message, but maybe you had a paranormal experience earlier. Okay, or maybe you have seen some kind of stuff like that. Okay, but I see you guys seeing what nobody can see. Okay, you guys are really connected with the higher self of you, and you guys are connected with the universe. Definitely this is in your energy. You know it by yourself. You have the shaman. What you say becomes others' reality, so you must speak with clear intent. Okay, because your words, they are not just words, they are power. Okay, so sorry, I did have a little background issues. I just went and fixed it there. Okay, usually I ignore it. I'm like, maybe the kids will go out, maybe they won't play. I just ignore. Okay, and I almost don't take action. Okay, but I just did. Now I just stopped the reading. I went. So you are stopping all of your work and you're taking action, and it's not like you are being asked to take action. You will intentionally, with your own self. Take the action, okay, definitely. Then we have Kairos. Wow, you guys might have blue eyes, you guys might be guided by cats, you guys, some of your ancestor might have blue eyes, some kind of eyesight that is different, okay. You might have a different eye color, because in Kairos the eyes are really reaching out to me, okay. Or it's like evil eye, okay. You guys might, like, some, for this is a specific message, some of you might really work with the spirits, okay. Some of you could be paranormist, okay. You like work with the spirits and everything. And yeah, because this is a reading of really highly spiritual people, the messages are clear, the messages are like just coming again and again, and I'm really speaking fast, because you might speak fast, okay. I don't know why okay, this has never happened to me. I'm more of a slow paced speaker, but now I'm just going on and on, because the energies, they are just beautiful, okay. You might feel this, that a lot of energies are going through you, around you, okay. So this might be you, so you need to calm yourself, okay. Let's see what you should be doing right now, okay. We have one card, which is the stone, okay. It came up. You need to be like a stone, you need to be hard, okay. I know being a healer, it's not easy. We are always being seen as the soft girl, the soft boy. They are too emotional, they are too sensitive. People might think that you're too sensitive, okay, but not like that. You know your power. I know when you let go, you do really let go. I know when you take an action, you really walk through the action. When you say no, it is a no. So it's like when you become a stone, you are the stone, okay. So if you have said something, if you have set on to something, you do it with all your heart, and no one can remove you from your path, from reaching out to your goals. So that is your energy. Claim it, okay. Let's see what is going to happen for you. Whoever is watching this video, 9 of wands in reverse. Letting go of worries. I see you letting go of worries. I see you being happy with your work. I also see you guys getting an opportunity, an expected opportunity. You weren't thinking that you will get this opportunity, but you are getting it nonetheless, okay. Then we have King of Swords. Hi, Miss Perfect, okay. You love perfection, okay. Virgo could be really attractive to you. Virgo sign just speaks to you. There's something about Virgo that really speaks to you, because I don't know, I'm getting this Virgo energy, okay. Maybe it's something related to Virgo. Just search it, okay. And then again, I see you being observant, like really highly observant. You're observing everyone's words, you're not letting go anymore. You're like, you said that, I remembered. You are, wow. I see you being a little strict as well, okay, to yourself, with others as well. 10 of Pentacles, what did I say about getting good opportunities, getting unexpected money? So yes, you are being guided by your ancestors, you are being supported by your ancestors. And yeah, do feed dogs for good luck, okay, for guidance, okay. Maybe you love dogs, you love kids, and I also see you loving elderly people, okay. So you love or support old people. You might work on an old age home, okay. You might want to open your own old age home. You can open it, you will open it, okay. So don't worry, that we have 444 on the clock for you. So yeah, you might see a lot of angel numbers, of course. I see you guys being highly guided by the ancestors, by the spiritual realm. You guys, I really think you have a spirit with you. Like, this spirit is so kind to you. They guide you with each path you take. Wow, this reading is not a coincidence. This is a wow reading. My gosh. 2 of Wands. Hi. So you guys are definitely getting something permanently, okay. Permanently something is happening in your life. Permanently you're working on this path. Permanently you're making a decision, you're moving out, you're moving on. Okay, so no more questions, no more confusion for you. I see you working really hard for your job. You already do, so you are getting results of your hard work. Okay, that's also there with Seven of Wands. I see you competing in some kind of exams. Okay, maybe you're competing in any way. You think maybe you're competing with yourself. Okay, so you're challenging yourself. That is also there for you. Okay, one more card we have Judgment again. Support from spirits is your key. Okay, if you ever doubted your shamanic power, your tarot reading, your astrological powers, don't, because you're being supported by the Almighty, by the universe, the one who guides us all. Okay, so don't worry, that was your reading. Thank you so much for watching. It was a short reading, and I do believe it is going to be for the people who really need this at the moment. And thank you so much again for watching. For personal readings, you can connect with me on Instagram and WhatsApp. The detail is in the description box. Comment 666 and claim this energy. And if you really resonated with reading with the messages, let me know again in the comment section. Thank you so much for having me. Thank you so much for letting me do this incredible reading. I love doing this reading. Bye, and I will see you soon.